I'm on my way to Rigo's house. He's gonna help me out real quick because he freaking left. He didn't leave me his toolbox, his toolbox key. So I'm gonna come by his house real quick and knock him out. You know Rigo's the best. Everybody go follow Rigo. Riggy Dean Performance, baby. Alright, rolling up here. You alright, Rigo? About to get her going here in just a minute. We're gonna jack it up and swap the pads real quick. I don't think we need to do a DIY on how to swap pads. It's fairly easy, but I do want to talk about after I leave. I'll do a small pad bedding on them and see how the noise is. And I will obviously wait till tomorrow to make a review on these pads because I will actually drive on them to work, and we will see if they are truly better. The box did say that they're OE sound dampening or some shit like that, but we will see how great they really are. Oh, Jenks. Okay, see, this is what a master technician does to you. Can you believe this?
Give me that.
Oh, he wants to record? Jeez, thanks, buddy. Appreciate you. Fuck it, dude. I'm gonna strip this motherfucker.
No, you don't.
Oh my
Just
god,
do it.
You gotta be kidding me.
Good, Master Tech. We got a new Master Tech right here, right now.
2 hours later.
We're officially gonna sponsor Rigo Garage. Hot performance, baby.
There you go. There you go, big boy.
Hello.
When you grow up, you're gonna be a mechanic like me. Right now, I don't think so.
What are you recording? Me?
Yes.
You sure you got me?
Yes. I got you, ugly face.
See this? When 60-year-olds want to be funny. Alright, give me something to pull these pads out. Alright. So it's real easy, as you can see with this kit. You just pretty much pull this screw out, bolt out with the nut on the end. And you can replace your pads right there very easily. They're really freaking... They have to go in like a certain angle. What the hell is this thing? You are, big boy? Oh, you got the other one still in there. Here we go. You eat booty?
No.
What?
You want to take us to eat after, right?
Who? Said what? Take you where?
Out to eat, bitch.
Off to eat?
Out to eat, sucker.
Your wife cooked.
Yeah, what about your wife?
My wife don't cook. Shout out to my wife.
She does cook, and she cooks good.
She does cook great.
So are we gonna eat our culo today, or are we gonna eat food?
I prefer our culo.
I think those pads are gonna make the same amount of noise like the other ones.
Dude, no, on the box it says OE sound.
You think so?
That's what it says. So if not, they have lifetime warranty too, these pads.
Where you bought those from?
The same company that bent me over with the brakes. Alright, so we knocked out that side already. Now we're on this side. I got it jacked up. Rigo's gonna jump in real quick and just get it going. Get some light for him here. Car's all done. I'm gonna go take it for a drive and kind of see how these pads feel, give them a quick pad bedding set. So do a couple of really hard stops from 40 to 20, and then we'll speed it up a little bit, 60 to 40, and then I don't know if I'll get all the way up to 80, but we're about to get it going. So far these brakes have been a success. I'm still like in the bedding procedure, but they're freaking quiet. So when the box literally said OE like sound dampening, they were like not kidding, because this thing is pretty freaking quiet. I didn't hear them at all. They might even be quieter than my stock ones. So they did a really good job. I can't wait to see how it performs at higher speeds. But as of right now, I'm not getting those insanely loud squeaks I was getting from the brakes when I was coming to a stop. It was literally like people got bothered, you know, when I came to a complete stop. So these obviously sound a whole lot better. I'll do a stop here for you guys so you can hear it. So I'm just gonna be soft on the brakes, touching them, easy, no noise, no nothing. Perfect. This is what I wanted out of this freaking kit. So I'll get in contact with Two Step Performance and recommend that they use these pads. Unless someone states otherwise, this should be the way I would want to go if this is my daily driven car. I mean, I'm pretty sure not a lot of people bought these cars for track cars, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have been an awesome audience. We got so much great stuff coming. It's just gonna get better and better from now on this channel. So huge thanks to all the subscribers, followers. Shout out to the haters. We love y'all too. See you next time.
If you want to check out more X Gen Alliance videos, hit the bell.